Alrighty guys, we'll go back to another video of Impossible Mowers. A video, if I'm going to be honest with you, I really didn't think was going to be possible. This is just insane. We've never had this kind of snow hit us with the temperatures we've had in a good bit. So in today's video, we're going to be plowing snow. We're going to be plowing this unit out, and we're going to be finishing up what we did last night. It got just too crazy for both rigs last night, and we just quit because it was just way too much. Holy moly. So stay tuned. Like I said in today's video, guys, we're going to be plowing some snow here. Drifts alone surpass a foot by a mile. I mean, it's almost up to my knees. It's just insane. And underneath all this is it's just ice. Just nothing but a solid sheet. But it's crazy just how much snow can accumulate with just 1 hour. I tell you, this is a Canadian storm right here. But you know, I think we got spoiled. I think we enjoyed too much of the cold. I shouldn't say enjoyed, but we got too much of the cold, not enough snow last year, and now we're getting the snowy bit. So I'm gonna have to hand dig this out. There's just no way it's gonna pull itself out, especially when the plow is back dragging like this. So that's gonna take me a little bit. However, I'm gonna try to get the pool-on started probably right now while we're on camera here, and just let it warm up, because that's what you want to do. I see the seat blew back. I always try to keep the seats like that so the ass portion doesn't get too wet, but I gotta cover some we put on it. All right, let's see if this unit will start up for us. Okay, open the hood. Probably top it off on some gas too while we're at it. Choke. Sorry for the weird camera angle. I gotta push in that clutch. That is icy. Okay. Let's see what we get. Right on. Holy moly. You know, some people ask on the channel why we post so slowly in the winter, and hopefully this is a good reminder of why. Look at that, the snow's flush with the floor. Okay, put these here for now. This is that steel thing I picked up at Harbor Freight. I don't know if I showed you guys in the video, but check it out. Am I right? No more losing bolts anymore. Got it for $1. Tell ya. All right, well, I'm gonna dig him out, and I guess we'll get to it. Alrighty, got her digged out. Right as I did though, it starts to snow again. We're supposed to get at least 3 more inches today, so I figured I gotta get ahead of it. Let's let her eat. Oh dear. So much ice. yeah, no, there's ice right there. Holy shoot. Look how thick the ice is. It's like you get bare snow until you hit this rock hard stuff, and it's almost like a 1/4 inch thick. And what the plow's doing is it's picking up all the snow, but when it hits the ice, it goes down and takes a piece of pavement with it. And then when it makes contact with the pavement deep enough like this, it just folds over and over under I go. I got this spring adjusted as much as I can get it, but even if you adjust that spring stiffer than the word, it wouldn't make a difference. The mounting held up pretty good though. Try to take another crack at it from a different angle. There we go. Woohoo, getting her done. Look at these snow drifts. I mean, I'm 6'4" and it's up to my hip. Just about. Holy cow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today's video. Didn't want to make anything too big because the camera is now flashing a cold temperature light. So I do have to stop this video quite quickly, but I wanted to bring you guys in for at least a little bit of what we had to go through. And it's starting to snow like a bastard up here now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We have a few videos that are going to be coming out. I'm hoping at some point soon. So just watch out for those. Other than that, check out the Instagram and Patreon. And that's it. So I hope you guys stay safe. This is Impossible Mowers out.